हे गाइस एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। और आज आपने पढ़ ही लिया है कि आज हमारा चैलेंज क्या होने वाला है। सो वी आर गोना रिक्रिएट एक्ट्रेस लुक फ्रॉम हर मूवी। एंड वो क्या है वो आप लोगों को देखते हुए वीडियो देख के समझ जाएगा। एंड आई एम ऑल्सो एक्साइटेड टू सी कि हम लोग कितने अच्छे तरीके से सब एक्ट्रेस का लुक रिक्रिएट कर पाते हैं। सब नहीं बट जो हम लोग ने चूज़ किया है कि विल रिक्रिएट। एंड मैं मेरी फ्रेंड्स का एंड मुनीरा और अमतुल्ला का भी लुक मैं देखने के लिए बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ। तो लेट्स सी कि क्या आता है रिजल्ट। एंड आई डोंट नो कि हम लोग कितना अप्रोप्रिएट कर पाएंगे उन लोग से, बट वी विल ट्राई आवर बेस्ट। एंड तो एज पर लुक मैंने ब्लैक शर्ट लिया है, डार्क ब्लू जीन्स ली है एंड बैग और सम एक्सेसरी। फाइनल आउटकम as I told you, I'm taking Sara Ali Khan's look and she's wearing black shirt and obviously jeans. You all can't see that, but jeans and some accessories and also the makeup. I tried to match her makeup, but I don't know how much it's similar to her look. I hope कि मैंने थोड़ा तो अच्छे से किया हो एंड देखते आप लोगों को पसंद आता है कि
Hey guys, welcome back to Sakina's channel and Amatullah this side. And by now that you all know what the video is about, we are recreating movie characters and I'm super excited to do this fun challenge. So guys, I'm going to recreate two looks from two movies. So first one is going to be Anjali, the famous Anjali from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, and the second one is going to be Queen from the movie Queen. And I'm super excited to create both the looks. So guys, I'll update you with whatever I do. I'm going to show you my outfit, कौन सा look exactly मैं recreate करने वाली हूँ, मैं सब बताती जाऊँगी आगे आगे के clips में. And let's see how it goes. And guys,
one thing is I'm not a perfectionist in this, neither any one of us is. So please don't judge me or us. We are trying our best to do, and I hope so I can recreate two somewhat similar looks. And let's see how it goes. I'll be back. I'll keep you updated. I'll be back with my outfit and everything. And then see you guys in a bit.
this
Bye.
bomber jacket thing, and exactly same है ये picture में, so I chose this for the outfit. And she used to wear her hairband and she used to keep her hair open. So I'll recreate this look and I hope so it is somewhat similar. So I'm ready with my first look, which is Anjali's look with this bomber jacket. She used to wear such oversized jackets and she used to do a very subtle makeup, so मैंने वही किया. And she used to apply gloss, so I've applied that. And hairband, of course. Her style statement was this. I'm going to show you my full look later on with those jeans and all. I think she used to wear baggy jeans, but I don't think so that I have, so I'm going to wear my normal jeans. बट आई थिंक ये तो काफ़ी अंजलि वाला लुक लग रहा है मेरे हिसाब से. एंड हेयर तो शी यूज टू कीप अ हेयर ओपन एंड इतने ही शॉर्ट एग्जैक्ट मेरे बाल के जैसे थे उसके हेयर. सो गाइज यू नो मैंने बाल क्यों कट किए. सो आई एम डन विद अंजलि's look and now I'm going to click pictures and I hope so that I have done justice to this look. I hope so that you all will like it. She was a tomboy kind of. So guys, this is my final look. I hope so that I have recreated somewhat similar to Anjali's look. And now I'll click pictures and let's see how the pictures turn out.
Hello guys, welcome back to Sakina's channel. So we are here after a very long time, but no, actually मैं सकीना के चैनल पे बहुत टाइम से आ रही हूँ. तो yeah, but we three are together after a very long time. I know one person is missing. So yeah, by the title you know it. Okay, what we're gonna do today? So we're gonna recreate the looks, but I know we're not gonna do up to the mark. But I tell you, we have done a lot of mehnat, so I think we would be able to try a bit. Yeah, we would. And the best part about the video is I'm super excited to see each one's looks. There are so many different things, so I'm super excited for that as well. And मेरे भी look में बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो मतलब मेरे comfort zone में नहीं है.
Okay, so without blabbering and all that, just make sure you see the complete video to see the end results, to see the end look. सबके looks देखना and comment down कि आपको कौन सा ज़्यादा look अच्छा लगा. And what else? Okay, I'm gonna show you the outfit. So the first, we're gonna take 2 looks. Okay, the first look जो मैं कर रही हूँ, it is of Anushka Sharma from ऐ दिल है मुश्किल. So second look थोड़ा बाद में डिस्कस करते हैं. So उसका outfit I'm gonna show you.
Okay, so she's wearing a mustard yellow kind of a kurti and a baggy jeans. So I'm gonna do it. Okay, guys. So this is my look, and if you notice in the picture, there is a picture over here. So if you notice in the picture, she's wearing a yellow mustard yellow kurti. I mean, then she's wearing a baggy jeans. I can't show you right now. So the baggy jeans. She's wearing long earrings. Picture में I guess नहीं दिखेगा, but I saw the video clip and all that. And she's wearing junk jewelries. Also has something written on her hand. मैंने भी कुछ तो लिखा, मतलब I'm not gonna tell you what I wrote, but she has something written on Arabic. So even I did that. I know this is not me. She's wearing a eye makeup, like a smoky eye makeup, a bit smudge eye makeup, black color ka simple. I wore that, and she's gone with pink brownish lipstick. So brown था मेरे पास, मतलब pinkish brown. I don't know, camera is catching too much, but then in normal if you see there's this perfect shade. Then she's wearing nose paint, she has black nail paint, and the hairstyle and थोड़े बहुत curls भी है. I tried to do it. I don't know if I did well or no. You guys rate this. I am super nervous about this. I'm not sure if this looks great or no. For me, this is something really new. I hope you guys like this one. Okay, so wait for this.
So guys, that was my first look. For second look, I have taken Kriti Senan's look from Rabta. As per her look, मैंने डंगरी ली है. Like this is the डंगरी. पूरी नहीं दिख रही but है डंगरी और रेड टी शर्ट. अभी I don't have like sleeveless top or something, but I had this full sleeves wala t-shirt, so I'm wearing this and dangri, and she's wearing 2-layered, I don't know it's chain or not, but I'm wearing 2-layered chain. And yeah, and also headphones, which y'all will see in the photo. So yeah, so guys, this is my final look. As per the look, I have headphones, chain, red t-shirt, like she's wearing crop top, but I wore red t-shirt, dangri, and yeah, and the hairstyle also I tried to match the hairstyle. I don't know like how much similar the hairstyle is looking, or even I am looking to her, but yeah, I tried my best. I hope you all like my
Hello guys, so this is the second time we are meeting the same video. So there's this second look, and the look I'm gonna recreate now is of Naina's from Ye Jawan Hai Diwani. So I really like her vibe, so that's the reason I chose this look, and I'm super excited, you know. And I'm gonna show you the outfit, और उसके बाद you watch the complete video to see each one's look, and then comment us down कि आपको कौन सा look सबसे ज़्यादा. So I am back with my look. Okay, I am looking like a padaku, but I'm not. Okay, so let's just start with the dress she's wearing. She's wearing a white one piece with some red or white, red or pink prints on it, but I didn't have the similar one, so I carried this one. Then she's wearing a similar, like a jacket, and denim jacket, so I decided to go for the similar one I had. And she's carrying a bag with it. Then she's wearing a hairband, glasses. These are not mine. So yeah, then she's not wearing any kind of accessories. She's just wearing a simple white watch and earrings, these kind of earrings. And what else she's doing? Makeup का अगर मैं बात करूँ तो she's wearing a wing eyeliner and just a lip balm, a pink lip balm, nothing else. Then we have a book over here, obviously, how can I forget this? So she is having a book in her hand and sticky notes, colorful sticky notes. So believe me when I say this, I notice a lot of things, you know. So yeah, she is having this kind of a book and sticky notes. Okay, so this book is actually a horror book, Greatest Horror Stories, and that's what I know. So let's just click some pictures in this outfit because I really like this outfit. I don't know if this suits me or no, but I'm like looking nice. I feel that it looks nice on me. So yeah, तो आप मुझे कमेंट पे बताना कि आपको मुझे देख के नैला का बिल्कुल भी थोड़ा भी वाइब्स आया क्या. I don't know, like I'm confused. So you guys tell me and let's just see the pictures. बाकी सबके looks भी देखते हैं.
So guys, I'm done clicking pictures for this first look, Anjali's look, and I've done justice to this look, and I hope so y'all will like it. So the next look is gonna be Queen's look from the movie Queen. So as you all know that what Kangna used to wear in that movie, she was very simple in that movie. She used to wear kurtis mostly and a sweater, or mostly kurtis and small earrings, and she used to take a bag. So I'm going to wear this kurti, simple one, a very simple kurti. I'm going to wear this one, and she used to take one plait and curly hair. She used to keep it hair stands she used to pull out from here. So I'm going to try somewhat, because it is very difficult to take a plait in this hair because I've chopped it off. So I'm going to try, or some wig or something, I'm going to try and adjust my hair according to that. So this is going to be my outfit, and let's see how the look turns out. Makeup was also very subtle. She used to do very subtle makeup, and according to that I'm going to do, and let's see what else I can do in that look, or what changes. I'll keep you guys updated with whatever I do. So I'll see you with my next look. So I'm ready with my queen looks. So Kangna used to wear a kurti, and I've recreated this picture. So Kangna used to wear a kurti. She used to take middle partition, and she used to take a plait always. Most of the time she used to take a plait in the movie Queen. So guys, मेरे बाल तो इतने लंबे नहीं है, तो मैंने wig लगाई है, obviously. So her makeup was really subtle, like only a lipstick is visible. So I just applied a little bit of lipstick and thoda sa blush, and no more makeup. And accessories also she used to wear. So I wore these small earrings to recreate her look. She always used to take a purse in her hand, like so I'm using this purse like this. She used to be, and long hair, and I've tried recreating a look. I hope so I'm somewhat similar to close to her, and I hope so you all will like this look. So now I'm going to click pictures and then see how the pictures turn out.
सो गाइज आई होप यू ऑल एंजॉयड द वीडियो, एंड ऑल्सो सब लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे से किया है मेरे हिसाब से. तो अभी आप लोगों को कैसा लगा हमारा लुक, प्लीज़ लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, एंड ऑल्सो लेट मी नो कि हम लोग और कौन से वीडियोस कर सकते हैं. सो या